everybody, my name is Elisma and today I'm going to give you guys a little tour around the art store Stickerrific. Stickerrific is an absolutely beautiful art store and I get a lot of my calligraphy supplies over there. A little bit of watercolor as well. And the great thing about Stickerrific is that it caters to quite different kinds of artists. As you will see later in the video, there's many things for many people. There's pens, calligraphy, watercolor, gouache, acrylic, quite a big variety. And before we begin our tour, I also like to let you guys know that I did do an art jamming session with the owner of Stickerrific, where I asked her questions to get to know her a little bit more and what she's like as a person. If you guys are interested in that, you can click on the pop-up link and check that out. I'll also put Stickerrific's Instagram and store down below in the video description. If you'd like to say hi to them, I would really appreciate if you let them know that you know them through me. Thanks guys. Now without further ado, hope you guys enjoy. Stickerrific now overlooks the main junction, so it's much easier to find if you get your bearings. Now let's go in and see this store of wonder. Now they have a few rules. You can use the door on the right, scan your My Sujatra code, don't let the cats out, and remove your shoes. I think it's hard to deny when I say Stickerrific is one of the most beautiful art stores I have seen. A lot of thought has been put into the aesthetic of this store. Carefully displayed figurines to strategic placement of products. Whether you came here in mind to buy anything or not, you have to admit that this place is worth having a look. And if you're not here for any stationaries, then you gotta come here for the kitties. Stickerrific's concept is built on an art form that, I feel, has become increasingly uncommon in the modern age: journaling. They are known for calligraphy, stickers, letter writing, journals, and washi tapes. They also have old school greeting cards, paintbrushes, paper, canvas, and more. Not only for the journalists, but also for the artists. You can find some things around the store for the cats, like this cat tower over here. And speaking of cats, this little guy is Han. He's taking a little cat nap. Let's not disturb him. But watching him sleep is not disturbing, right? Moving on, one of my favorite parts of the store is the wax seal section. This is where I get my supply of wax sticks whenever I need them to send mail to my patrons over at Patreon. Nothing quite like exhibiting class than sealing your own letter in wax. As I've mentioned before, I love personal touches of this store, such as little samples as you can see here. They will often show many samples of their products all around the store, proving they have used the products they are selling and how it'll look like under such adept hands. You can even find my handiwork here. I made some dragon charms, and this is special because it was inspired by the store's main cat, Leia. You will notice that the cats are named after Star Wars characters. If you're ever in Jaya 1, you will find a photo printing booth at the school section. With the new location of the store, they now have their very own photo printing booth, which is very convenient for anybody wanting to print photos for their journal. You can connect the booth to your phone or Instagram for any particular photo you want to print. Showing a section of just pure personal touches in this little corner, there are so many knickknacks and memories written in their journals and souvenirs bought during their travels. It all looks extremely vintage and artistic. It is very inspirational and it really adds to the overall atmosphere of the store. Stickers are definitely expected in a store called Stickerrific, and yes, they do have a variety of them too, from in-house designs to local artists to corporate stickers. They also sell little bow ties for your pets, as shown here. You can also find dry flowers to stick in your journal. Similarly, they have a wide variety of stamp designs as well. I really do appreciate the handwritten notes around the store. Something about it really makes the place all the more special and wonderful. It really immerses you into the world of journaling and really sucks you in. It's very immersive. The rack of pens are so vibrant and colorful that it draws your eyes to it. They also sell branded paint brushes for all watercolor enthusiasts out there. And of course, what artist or journal writer be without paper? They also have thick and colorful envelopes at the ready for you. They have sketch pads and sketch notebooks for sketching, watercolor, and gouache paintings. I was very happy when they brought in the Fabriano paper, as it was my first watercolor paper gifted by my friend Iris, and it was such a joyful experience to paint on, and this store now provides different sizes and different types of paper too. They sell Winsor Newton watercolor set or even individual color pens or tubes for refills. And fret not for the color pencil artists out there. They sell the individual polychromos color pencils if you ever run out. And you can also find graphite pencils here. You can see they have many different types of pens ranging from brush pens, ballpoint pen, gel pen, dual brush, manga pen, and more. They also sell scissors for those who print and cut their own stickers. There is also a calligraphy worksheet so you can practice and improve upon your calligraphy. As for the calligraphy section, they sell metallic mica colors. There are also nib holders. And I particularly like this one because it can take different nib sizes. If you want to start on calligraphy, they even have a starter kit for your ease as a first timer. And of course, they have different colored inks for dip pens and fountain pens. Again, with the personal touches showing samples of how their product looks, such as these inks, how they react to on paper. Oh look, another kitty. This one here is Luke. I think the main focus of this store is the beautiful display of different fountain pens available. Look at the different design and colors. They're so pretty. And they also have a room where events such as workshops or meetings happen. Lastly, as a treat, here is another video of the lovely Leia for you. That's all for today. Thank you everybody for watching. If you guys liked the video, I would appreciate if you hit that like and subscribe button and share it to your friends who you think might find it helpful. I share videos, tutorials, and reference photos for artists to use, so if you'd like to help me and make all this sustainable, you can do so by pledging over at Patreon. I would also like to thank all my patrons at Patreon for help supporting me throughout the years. Thank you so much for making this possible. You can also join my Discord server where I'm trying to make a wholesome community, and also you get notified when I go live on Twitch. Links are down below in the video description. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye! For those who are new to the channel, I share videos and tutorials here on YouTube, and you can find free high-resolution photo references on my Patreon site. If you like what I do and you want to support me, you can show your love over at Patreon. Alright, we're going now, Leia. Bye-bye. Dark Fox scared it.
Ah.
It's like doing like dance. Bye! We're going now. Alright, let's go. Have a nice Stickerrific day.